This is video I originally recorded in August 2014, back when I was still contemplating doing daily vlogs for my over-the-road trucking adventure. I struggled with how to edit and produce this video for several weeks before I finally let it slip into my do it someday to-do list. Now that I've produced and uploaded nearly 100 videos, it's time to get this video done so I can share it with you. I hope you enjoy it. You know, I see a lot of crazy things out here on the road, and sometimes I think, oh, I've seen it all, and I'm surprised by something new. Well, today I was surprised by something new. I'm pulling into this truck stop in Lordsburg, New Mexico, and I pull into a parking spot, and after I pull up, I see a guy walking around, and it looks like he's got bagpipes. As he gets a little closer, sure enough, he's got bagpipes, and he's walking around the parking lot playing bagpipes. Nice. For some odd reason, I enjoy bagpipe music, but as you can see, Trucker Kitty does not share my appreciation of this instrument. Phil Puls of Dandridge, Tennessee, is the bagpipe playing trucker. I invited him to sit down with me in the Truck Stops restaurant so I could interview him about his unique interest. Now, I want to apologize in advance for the poor audio and video quality during this interview. It was fairly noisy in the restaurant, and I didn't properly focus the camera at the beginning. As you can see in this segment, I've gotten better at using my equipment. How is it you got started playing the bagpipes?
They've always fascinated me. They've always moved something in my soul. And in 2005, I had an on-the-job injury, blew out my back, and I was at home for quite some time. And during that time, I said, I've always wanted to learn, never had time to do it.
Right.
So I wasn't working, drawing workman's comp, and I decided I was going to learn to play bagpipes.
Do you have Celtic ancestry?
Yes.
Okay. So you learned to play the bagpipes.
Yep.
And you carry bagpipes with you in the truck, and you play every day?
Every day, if weather permits. If it's not raining and it's not 110 degrees out.
This is pretty unique.
Yeah.
In any field, let alone trucking. Now, how long have you been a bagpipe playing trucker?
Since 2008.
Outside of playing at truck stops, have you played at any events, like parades or anything?
When I lived in Massachusetts, I belonged to a pipe band up there.
Okay.
And we used to march in parades and stuff up here in the Northeast. But I played funerals, weddings,
Yeah?
stuff like that.
You must get some interesting reactions from people.
I do. I was in a place out here in, I like this story, in Ontario, California, picking up a load. And it was a live load, so I'm going to be there 2 or 3 hours. And I was out in the parking lot playing.
Was that a shipper?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the next thing I know, I'm surrounded by this entourage of people that had come down out of the office. And this, and The guy that was leading the pack was from Scotland.
Oh.
And he said, I couldn't believe it. He said, I couldn't believe I actually heard bagpipes. He said, I looked up to him and he said, I had to come down and talk to you. I said, do you play? He said, oh, no, I don't play. I like to play in cemeteries.
Yeah?
If I can get to it someplace with a cemetery, I'll go and play in there.
Play a dirge or just anything?
Just play.
Why cemetery?
I don't know.
Seems appropriate?
I just feel drawn and compelled. Plus, they don't complain.
Yeah. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see even more videos from all over the United States, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also invite you to visit my website to learn more about my over-the-road trucking adventure and what it's like living on the road.